Okay, today we're going to do a fitment on a 2023 Mustang GT with the Performance Pack. Okay, so now we're going to be removing this center screw right here. It's recessed up in there, and that's going to be a 7mm head. So now we're going to go ahead and remove that screw. Again, this is a Mustang GT with the Performance Pack, but the installation will be exactly the same between the 135 and the 135A. Just different hardware. Okay, there's the factory screw out. Okay, now you're going to take your 4.2 by 55 and it's going to go into the small hole. Spacer on top. And now I found, because sometimes these J-clips are at a slight angle, I actually put it in reverse. Like this hole will normally be in the back, but I put it facing toward the front to get it started. It just makes it easier to get the screw started into the J-clip. And like I said, it's recessed up in there, so you just got to find it. There you go, find the hole. And once you get it started, then I just rotate it back around and line it up that way, like that. Just easier to start. And take your Torx T15, snug it up, and then I don't fully tighten it yet. I leave it a little loose because I'm going to put the front in and make sure it's perfectly lined up before I put the back screw in. Okay, so now I'm going to take the front plate, slide it in, lock it into place, and then we're going to go ahead and make sure that it's nice and straight, up and down and left and right. Equal distance on both sides, and one for happy. Then we'll tighten up the bottom screw and then drill the hole for the 6.3 by 20. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and snug this one up. And as you can see, you can tighten it pretty good. I grabbed the ratchet up by the head, so I don't have to worry about over tightening it. Then I'll just real quick double check. Looks good. And I'll go ahead and drill my pilot hole for my 6.3 by 20. And once I do that, I can put the 6.3 by 20 in. There it is right there. Okay. Then put it in the socket. Just start it in there. You're going to run the screw down until it's flush. Okay, flush. And then I'm going to just go a quarter turn and we're done. And as you can see, nice and tight. Then again, to remove it, you just pull the pull pin and to put it back in, you put it in, pull the pull pin back till it goes by it, and then push it till it clicks into place. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.